Now, good evening, students. Again, I am going to prepare a video for chapter number 4, reproductive health. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the different type of informations which are given by the government or awareness programs which are given by the government and WHO to aware the peoples who are going to close to the reproducible age or the peoples who are already married, so how they take care of the mothers, nursing mothers, as well as newborn babies. So WHO, that is World Health Organization, uh, gives so many information regarding the reproducible age peoples to aware the different type of problems along with STDs, sexually transmitted disease, the disease which should be transferred from one person to another person through sexual contact. Now, methods of control population, how we can control the population, because population is the biggest problem all over the world. To utilize the different policies which are going to be designed by the governments, and governments are failed to implement all the policies. For example, if we make a arrangement of 2000 peoples a very good dinner, and the peoples are going to be increased near about 5000, then how we can manage the food which is prepared for the 2000 peoples for the 5000 peoples? That is the big problem, along with reduced birth rate. So how we can reduce the birth rate, although there is no problem and though there is no problem faces by the reproducible age or married peoples, there is no problem in enjoyment, but birth rate should be reduced. So this program should be started, and reproductive health started a one program, that is RCH. Sometimes there is a question on RCH. What is RCH? Write a note on RCH program. RCH means reproductive and child health program. Reproductive child health program means whatever the program which is designed, which is for especially for the mother which are pregnant, after delivery, the newborn baby and nursing mother, we take care of both the mother as well as infant, as well as educating peoples for the care of pregnant mothers, how we can care the pregnant mothers up to the 9 months, that is a gestation period. What is the fooding habit, what is going to be proper checkup, what is the vaccines and other things which are required for the pregnant mothers. Then postnatal care of mother and child after delivery, the nursing mother, which type of food is very favorable for that mother, what are the problems regarding the infant, vaccination of the infant, as well as breastfeeding, how plays a very important role, because breastfeeding is the best feeding for the newborn baby, because it makes baby strong. Sexually transmitted disease, how we can prevent the sexually transmitted disease which should not transfer from one person to another. And amino synthesis plays a very important role. That means at the time of after the fertilization of the egg, there is a checkup on the ultrasound centers. There is a checkup or ultrasound of a lady where the pregnancy is going to be start. Now, so many relations and closeness of with the ultrasound centers with the peoples, they declare the baby which is male or a female. So this is totally banned. So amino synthesis is totally banned in the India as well as all over the world, because it makes a population difference between male and female childs. So it should be how it is banned, and how we take the we avoid the peoples who are going to declare that the newborn baby should be male or female. And population explosion. Population explosion means, that means increase population many times in a very short period, that is called population explosion. And this is only possible when the some things are going to be happen. First is rapid decline in death rate. डेथ रेट्स में कमी होना, जिससे कि बेटर फैसिलिटीज़ हमारी हॉस्पिटलिटीज़ की जो अवेलेबल हैं, इसकी वजह से जो डेथ रेट है वो धीरे धीरे कम हो रहा है। बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ट अटैक है, आपका ब्रेन हेमरेज है, पेशेंट्स हॉस्पिटल्स में क्रिटिकल केयर यूनिट्स में जाते हैं और उनकी फिर से रिकवरी हो जाती है। सेकंड, रिडक्शन इन मैटरनल मोर्टेलिटी रेट। मैटरनल मोर्टेलिटी रेट मीन्स जो मदर्स हैं, न स्पेशली प्रेग्नेंट मदर्स हैं या आफ्टर डिलीवरी मदर्स हैं, कोई जो आपका मिस हैपनिंग नहीं होती है और बहुत सारी जो लॉट ऑफ फैसिलिटीज़ आर अवेलेबल इन द हॉस्पिटल्स टू इम्प्रूव द हेल्थ, improve the diet of the nursing mother and pregnant mother. So प्रेग्नेंट लेडीज़ की डेथ का रेट भी डाउन आ गया है। डिक्लाइन इन इन्फेंट mortality rate. Sometimes people are complaining that the babies are born before the completing of gestation period, that is in 7 months or 6.5 months. In these cases, it is very difficult to survive. It is very difficult for the survival of infant. Now so many machines and so many equipments are available. So now the babies which are born before the completion of gestation period, they should not be die, because they should be kept in the machines for the at least completion of the gestation period. Now the last one is increase number and reproducible age. रिप्रोड्यूसिबल एज यानी जो अपने बच्चों को जन्म दे सकते हैं उस एज के पीपल्स का धीरे धीरे बढ़ना, क्योंकि उनकी शादियां होंगी, शादियां होने के बाद में उनके जो आपका प्रेगनेंसीज होंगे, उनके बच्चों का जन्म होगा, तो वो अगर उनको अवेयर किया जाएगा तो हम पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन को रोक सकते हैं, बिकॉज दे एंजॉय द मैरिड लाइफ, दे डू नॉट रेडी टू और दे अवॉइड द birth of the newborn babies, so that the population explosion should be reduced.